Good afternoon and welcome to more Magic the Gathering pack openings. This time we have all of these Lorwyn Eclipse play boosters to open. So there is quite a fair few, as you can see. So this is going to be a little bit of a long video. So without further ado, let's get into it, shall we? Stoic Grove Guide, Gravefield Scoundrel, Sundampened Celebrant, Flamechain Mauler, Barb Bloodletter, Acid Perfection, Summit Sentinel, Lumen Lusk, Kindle the Inner Flame, Perfect Intimidation, Glamour Gifter, Curious Colossus, Blossom Bind, a Nice Plains, and a Kithkin Elf token. That's for pack number 1. Let's go straight into the next one. We're going to go quick fire with these. Rooftop Percher, Aquatech Defenses, Wanderbrine Preacher, In-Range Flamecaster, Dream Sizer, Mist Mellow Council, Riverguard Reflexes, Burden Stoneback, Morkan Eyes, Nameless Inversion, Impolite Entrance, Distributor of Currents, Ferocious Tome Skimmer, Plains, and a Merfolk Worm. Nice. So we're going to quick fire and go through all of them. So we'll be going through all of them in this video. Evolving Wilds, nice. Cure of Mystic, Tributon Voltar, Brambleback Brute, Blighted Blackthorn, Wary Farmer, Runaway Together, Block Imposter, Lists Alana Dignitary, Lasting Tarfire, Mud Button Curse Tosser, Kirill Attentive First Year, Tender Springs, a Mountain, and a Kithkin Elf token. Nice. We do have quite a fair bit to open, so do bear with me. Chaos Spewer, Temporary Cleanser, Spiral into Solitude, Flamekin Guildweaver, Scarblade Scout, Surly Farrier, Heirloom Auntie, First for Identity, Personify, Fortweth Charge, Goat Nap, Shadow Urchin, Meander's Guide, an Island, and a Merfolk Shapeshifter. Nice. Prideful Feastling, Stratosaura, Timid Shieldbearer, Elder Auntie, Bog Slipher Embrace, Lissalana Informant, Bone Club Berserker, Glister Barn, Crib Swap, Spell Snare, Shimmer Creep, Brigid Klaxion Heart, which goes... no, cards. Can you go for... This goes into Brigand's Domed Mind. That's not bad. Eclipsed Flamekin, a Mountain, and a Kithkin Elf token. Cards wanted to get away with me on that one. Gangly Stompling, Unexpected Assistant, Reluctant Dawnguard, Reckless Ransacking, Dawnhand Orologist, Tender Springs, Gallant Foal Knight, Meander's Guide, Swat Away, Reaping Willow, Explosive Prodigy, Tristan's Command, Gristle Glutton, Forest, and a Goblin Treefolk. Rooftop Percher, Stratosaura, Gold Meadow Nomad, Scarblade Malice, Wild Vine Pummeler, Flame Chain Mauler, Gilt Leaf's Embrace, Pestered Wellguard, Chomping Changeling, Giant Fall, Wretched Wetch, Ashling Rekindled, which goes into Ashling Rhymebound. Okay. Blossom Bind, Swamp, and a Goblin Fairy token. Not bad at all. Evolving Wilds, Flaring Cinder, Timid Shieldbearer, Fear.Core, Core, Barb Bloodletter, Asset Perfection, Enraged Flamecaster, Dream Sizer, Fort Wealth Lieutenant Full Art, nice, Eclipsed Kifkin, Puka Eye, Mirror Form, Sizzling Changeling, a Plains, and a Merfolk Shapeshifter. 4 more packs left. Aquatouch Defences, Liminal Hold, Foraging Wickamore, Mist Meadow Council, Brambleback Brute, Blighted Blackthorn, Riverguard Reflex, Grave Shifter, Burst for Identity, Personify, Lyrsolana Dignitary, Kinskara Sentry, Tender Springs, a Plains, and a Kifkin Elf token. Got some really good cards in these packs. A lot of doubles though. Blossom Bind, Shore Lurker, Prideful Feastling, Wiry Farmer, Flamekin Guildweaver, Scarblade Scout, Gallant Foal Knight, Sizzling Changeling, Shimmer Creep, Omni Changeling, Flock Imposter, Glyn Alandra Guardian, Gristle Glutton, a Swamp, and a Goblin Treefolk. Nice. Again, we are getting quite a lot of doubles, but that's understandable. With opening packs, you always run that risk. Chitinous Grasping, Keep Out, Mischievous Sneakling, Surly Farrier, Elder Auntie, Bogslifer's Embrace, Unforgiving Aim, Kinsbale Aspirant, Unwelcome Sprite, Moon Vigil Adherence, Kindle the Inner Flame, Sunderflock, Moonglove Extractor, Mountain, and a Kifkin Treasure Token. And now for our last pack. This is all Lorwyn Eclipsed. So, Unexpected Assistance, Spiral into Solitude, Gangly Stompling, Lyrsolana Informant, Reckless Ransacking, Dawnhand Neurologist, Bone Club Berserker, Pitless Fists, Lasting Tarfire, Spell Snare, Taster of Wares, Grub's Command, Bristlebane Outrider, Forest, and a Kifkin Elf. So not bad at all. With all of the packs, we got quite a fair number of cards. Definitely enough to do like a two-person game. So the actual box of the Draft Night, which is where these all came from, which was one of my previous videos of the unboxing, it's definitely enough to actually build and run 2 decks for a game against 2 people. It's definitely worth it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you all on the flip side.